Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix something went wrong issue persists. Please contact us through Help Center on ChatGPT. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So there are four ways to fix this problem. Okay, so the first way is to just go ahead and click on the regenerate response at the lower part of your screen. So you should see that button at the upper part of the send a message text box. Okay, so once you click on that, that should help you with your problem. But if it doesn't work for you, what you can do is to just go ahead and refresh the website by clicking the refresh button or the reload this page button at the upper left side of your screen. Okay, so once you've refreshed your website or the website, that should also help you with the issue. So the third method to do this is to check the s- server status. So just go ahead and search for status that openai.com. So now you should see the status of ChatGPT or OpenAI. So as you can see, it says here operational. So all of this is operational today. So now that means that if you see red like this, so that means OpenAI is under maintenance. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and wait for an hour or two and try again to use the website or the OpenAI. So the last thing that you can do is to just go ahead and contact the OpenAI support, customer support. Okay, so to do that, just go ahead and search help.openai.com. Okay, so now just go ahead and send an email and tell them all of your concerns and they should help you with this problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.